Malaysia has ordered a probe into the working conditions of the world's largest latex glove producer. Top Glove is now the source of Malaysia's largest active COVID-19 cluster.
I've instructed my officers to investigate, and I want the report by this weekend. So they're carrying out the investigation. Just giving me a bit of time, because I think it would be unfair for me to make any conclusion at this point. So I've asked them to investigate. By the next couple of days, I will know the exact root cause.
The outbreak is centred in Klang, a city in Selangor, and that's where Top Glove's factories and hostels are located. The cluster has more than 4,000 cases. So far, at least half of the 6,000 workers screened have tested positive. Authorities have raised concerns of cramped living quarters, but the company has denied the accusations. Instead, Top Glove's chairman, Lim Wee Chai, said officials have given their approval during a visit 2 months ago. More than 20 of its factories are ordered to shut, as authorities aim to screen 13,000 workers there.
Kerajaan juga telah mengarahkan 28 kilang. Syarikat itu ditutup secara berperingkat bagi membolehkan para pekerja menjalani ujian saringan dan proses kuarantin.
Malaysia is battling a third wave of infection. There are 970 new cases today, a drop from yesterday's record 2,188. Malaysia has nearly 60,000 cases in total.